Your Excellency, Mrs. Angeline Ndayishimiye, First Lady of the Republic of Burundi, Your Excellency, Pastor Dorcas Rigathi, spouse of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Mrs. Samira Ramadan Baumi, spouse of the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana and clean cooking champion, Your Excellency Dimbal Masaku, spouse of the Deputy President, Minister of the Kingdom of Eswatini, Cabinet Secretary for Energy and Petroleum, Honorable Davis Chirchir, Cabinet Secretary Public Service, Gender and Affirmative Action, Honorable Aisha Jumwa, Bishop Kawira Mwangaza, Governor Meru County, Excellencies, Ambassadors present, our partners, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Habari zenu. Jambo. I'm delighted to extend a warm welcome to all of you to our great nation, Kenya, and in particular to the African Climate Summit 2023 here at the Kenyatta International Conference Center, KICC, in Nairobi. Allow me to convey greetings from the President of the Republic of Kenya and host of the African Climate Summit 2023, Dr. William Samoei Ruto. This high-level session will delve into the important topic of the role of women in energy transition for a sustainable future in Africa. It is undeniable that women play a pivotal role in steering the energy transition towards a sustainable future across Africa. Their engagement transcends environmental preservation. It is a catalyst for fostering social and economic equity. A report by Science Direct shows that 195 million people in sub-Saharan Africa use charcoal as their primary cooking fuel. The 2019 population and housing census in Kenya showed that as of 2019, about 31.3 million Kenyans used wood or charcoal as their primary fuel source. It is estimated that annually, 23,000 deaths occur in Kenya due to household air pollution linked to solid fuels. The over-reliance on wood fuel for cooking and heating leads to more deforestation, putting at risk not only the users, but also the continent's tree cover. Women and children disproportionately bear the greatest health burden from polluting fuels and technologies in homes, as they typically labor over house chores, using candles, firewood, and paraffin for lighting, and firewood, charcoal, and paraffin for cooking. They spend more time exposed to harmful pollutants. While designing policy interventions and solutions that will accelerate the energy transition, women need to be involved to ensure that the interventions are built with the users in mind. Ladies and gentlemen, today we shall discuss and deliberate about the substantial roles that women all over Africa can offer. These interventions will include, but not limited to, facilitating access to clean cooking technologies, championing sustainable agriculture and food processing, fostering community engagement and education, advocating and championing for gender-inclusive policies, driving research and innovation, enhancing access to finance, exemplifying role models and leadership. Ladies and